ma chère, jolie toujours contraire. Donnez-moi le donner, chef. Donnez, donnez, be half safe. Chérie, chérie, you look like Gino Tree. Your figure is like trigger, ma chérie. Bon vivant, vivant, bon mot. Bon vivant, Monrovia. What's the Hildegard cherry?
We're the boys from MCA. Hey, 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 hey. Here is a western we saw last night, full of action and dynamite. We thrilled and nearly stood on our head from the moment the hero walked in and said,
I'm Wild Bill Hiccup, and I'm brave and strong. I've been riding the range for 6 months long. I've been riding the range, rounding up cattle. I got so many blisters, I'm tall in the saddle.
I am the villain, I'm mean as can be. I hate the hero cause he sings off key. I'm an ornery cuss and I'm so full of lead. When a rattlesnake bites me, he drops down dead. Why chewing on bullets is my daily routine. See what I mean?
Me Injun, nice and tan. Me also businessman. Me take 'em scalps to make 'em penny. Sell 'em to man named Jack Benny.
Our story takes place in a lawless town. They've called on Hiccup to tame things down. He's just arrived, and who should he meet but the no-good outlaw Poison Pete?
Pete, I hear you've been a-rustling again.
And I blew up the bank and I shot 20 men. I held up the stagecoach and robbed the mail car.
One of these days you're gonna go too far. So you think that you're a pretty good fighter?
You should have seen what I did to Pink Rider.
You mean Red Rider?
No, he changed his name. He got faded last week in a big crap game. I think you're a coward through and through. I'm gonna tell the whole town what I think of you. So there!
Shooting off your mouth won't get you anywhere. You better leave town if you want to live, or I'll fill you full of holes till you look like a sieve. My old 6-shooter's just aching to spout.
You better cover up the muzzles. The candy's falling out.
Now the mood of our story changes fast. Hiccup is back on his ranch at last.
Well, here I am. I better get dressed. I got a heavy date and want to look my best. I'll take a quick shower and smell like a flower. That was a mighty quick shower. Who's a knocking at my door?
It's Gopher Annie, the girl you adore.
Gopher gal, you've changed somehow.
Do I look like a cowgirl?
No, like a cow.
Moo moo.
Bill, do you like the perfume in my hair?
Is that the perfume you always wear?
No, this is stronger. It's more alive.
What do you call it?
Corral number 5.
Gal, I can see you've been riding.
Of course, and I had to put the blindfold on the horse.
Blindfold a horse, you're crazy in the head.
If he sees what he's carrying, I'm afraid he'll drop dead.
Gal, I loves you deep down inside, and I've been needing a wife since old Paint died.
Well, stop your stalling. Why don't you propose?
I can't find a ring the size of your nose. Anyway, I gotta find Poison Pete. I think he's hiding at Girdle Creek.
Girdle Creek? There must be a catch. Is it far from here?
It's quite a stretch. Well, here we are. It's the end of the ride. Pete and his gang are waiting inside. Now, here's my plan. Be as quiet as a mouse. I'll sneak in and you surround the house.
Here's your gun.
I don't need a gun. I'm gonna throw that gang out one by one.
I hope you know what you're talking about.
You just count them as I throw them out.
1.
Stop counting. It's me.